Hi guys, this is George, founder of CRMChat, and today I'll show you how you can connect specific folders on your Telegram to Google Spreadsheet. This case is very helpful when you want to send leads from a conference to some folder, and then all these leads will be sent to your Google Spreadsheet. This integration has 3 steps. Step number 1, you connect your folders with CRMChat. Step number 2, you connect CRMChat to Google Spreadsheets through Zapier. And step number 3, you create a filter in Zapier, so only contacts that are in a specific folder will be sent to Google Spreadsheet. You can send all your contacts to Google Spreadsheet, but in this case, you want to divide all your contacts by conferences and send different conferences to different spreadsheets. So let's start. First, we need to open CRMChat. And in the settings, you will see Telegram folder sync. Here I already synced the folder called conference, but let's do it again. So now all the leads that are in the folder conferences will be sent to CRMChat. By the way, yeah, let's do it. So let's send this contact to the folder conference. Here you see this contact. And now let's open CRMChat. So you see, it's immediately, this contact was added to CRMChat. Now the next step is connecting Zapier. To connect Zapier, you need to click here, connect your CRM. This is our paid feature. So you will see the link to Stripe, and after you pay, you will be redirected to Zapier. Now let's create a new Zap. Okay, so let's start with finding CRMChat. Now the trigger will be contact creation. The account is, you'll see only one here. I have a few. Click continue, test trigger. So let's select any of the test options. And now let's find Google Spreadsheets. Event will be create a spreadsheet role. Continue. All right, then my Google Drive spreadsheet. So I've created a simple spreadsheet and called it conference leads. It has only one worksheet. And now you need to map different columns on your spreadsheet with different objects in the CRMChat. I'll show you first how the spreadsheet looks. So it has only 3 columns here. So first one is name, and we map it with the name in CRMChat. The second one is Telegram handle. We have 2 options here, either Telegram username, you see like example here, or Telegram link. Let's use the link. And then bio, we automatically capture bio from contacts, and we call it description here. So let's select description, continue, let's test it. Okay, let's open my spreadsheet, and you see, yeah, it works. So now all the leads that are sent to CRMChat will be automatically added to this Google spreadsheet. But we want to create a new step, step number 3. This will be filter, because we don't want to send all the leads. We want to send only the leads that are in a specific folder. Okay, here we will select condition, folder, Telegram folder, yeah, here. And it will be exactly matches, and we give the name of this folder. So in my case, it's conference, yes. continue, and publish. Now this Zap is live, and I'll show you how it works. So I will add 2 more leads to my folder conference, and they will be sent to the conference lead spreadsheet. So let's send Andrew conference. Let's send Gleb conference. So you see now we have 4 leads in this folder, and in about 10-15 seconds they will be here. So yeah, you see the first one, Andrew. Let's refresh. Yeah, you see the second one, Gleb. So this is it. The next feature which we're going to release soon will be doing the same through QR code. So you can just scan a QR code and the bot will be sent to CRMChat, and then from CRMChat it can be sent to Google Spreadsheet or actually any other CRM or any other tool. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.